California state budget is the single most important policy document the state produces each year. It's a fiscal plan, a statement of political priorities, and a projection built on the most volatile major revenue base in the country, with a general fund exceeding $200 billion and total spending approaching $300 billion. It's larger than the national budget of most countries. Article 4 of the Constitution sets the timeline. The governor must submit a proposed budget to the legislature by January 10th, and the legislature must pass a budget by June 15th. The fiscal year runs from July 1st to June 30th. The rules for passing the budget were transformed by Proposition 25 in 2010. Before that, the budget required a two-thirds supermajority, which gave the minority party enormous leverage and produced a long history of painful impasses. Proposition 25 lowered the threshold for the budget bill itself to a simple majority, while keeping the two-thirds requirement for anything that raises taxes. The result is dramatic. Since 2010, California has hit the June 15th deadline every single year, a sharp contrast with the chronic delays before. 6 actors dominate the process. The governor and the Department of Finance prepare and defend the proposal. The legislature's budget committees hold hearings. The Legislative Analyst's Office provides independent, nonpartisan fiscal analysis. The controller manages cash flow. The treasurer manages debt. And when impasses remain, the Big Five, the governor, the 2 legislative leaders, and the 2 minority leaders negotiate the resolution. Let me highlight 2 especially important features. First, the May revision. Around May 14th, the governor updates the budget with 5 months of fresh data on revenues and enrollment. In good years, it announces new resources. In bad years, it forces a difficult mid-process recalibration. It's also a political document signaling which legislative changes the governor will accept. Second, the line item veto. After the legislature passes the budget, the governor can reduce or eliminate individual spending items without rejecting the whole bill, a power the U.S. President lacks over federal appropriations. It lets the governor strip out legislative add-ons while preserving the overall framework, and overriding it requires a two-thirds vote that's almost never achieved. So the governor enters the budget fight with powerful agenda-setting and defensive tools.